Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be having you guys here today. It's Danny. I'm finally able to show you my lashes. So Dauntingdani has been in the works for the last 3 to 4 months, and it's a conceptual lash brand that's inclusive of all Asian eyes. I wanted to create lashes that really embraced almond eyes because I don't know about you, but it's very hard for me to find lashes that were sustainable. They're handmade, cruelty-free, that they would show up on my eyes because a lot of lashes just don't have the dimension for Asian eyes because our eyes are hooded and it's quite hard to really like make it look like it exists, but not to the point that like I hate lashes that are like too overdone. Like for me, for my eyes, I can't do it. Like it just makes my eyes look smaller. So I wanted lashes that were like, they're voluminous but they wouldn't overwhelm your eyes, and also the lash bands are cotton. They're carefully sourced cotton, so you're not gonna get any irritation from it because some lash bands just like they're so uncomfortable and they just itch. These lashes are also such high quality. The lash bands are thin enough so you can conceal, and they can be worn so many times. Like I've worn them 20 to 25 times at this point, and I didn't really take any pictures in them because I didn't want to show you guys yet, but you know, my ambassadors will be showing you the lashes. I'm very excited to finally be releasing these lashes because they're just I'm obsessed with them. And if you guys know me, I'm really big on lashes. Like either it's like mascara, natural lash, or it's like extensions. Like I either do natural extensions or I go the full out, like 15 mn D curl. If you do lashes, you know exactly what I mean. Or like I've even been desperate enough to like stack falsies on top of my lashes because I needed a more dramatic look. And I feel like falsies definitely are you get the most bang for your buck, and you get to support a small business hopefully. And lashes just, it's easier, it's quicker. You don't have to stay at your lash girl place for like 2 hours getting your lashes done. Mascara is so annoying to remove. These are just, they're on and they're off. Like it's easy, and you could switch up your look whenever. My lash brand is also really big on transforming and supporting creators, so we want to have a wide range of lashes, not just for our pros, but also for our everyday natural girls. This brand really pays homage, I always mess this up, to my childhood. Growing up, I was always obsessed with Studio Ghibli films and like different anime shows, and I put my love for Studio Ghibli, I can't freaking pronounce it for the love of God, into this lash brand. Each lash will be released with a character. Each character represents, for this season, a different alter ego of mine, whether it's a more subtle, reserved girl, or it's a bold e-girl, an ambivert, or it's someone that's just a boss bitch, like always business 24/7 type of girl. And I feel like those are all different sides of me. I just hope that you guys like it. You're gonna have like different alter egos. You're gonna have Grace, Suki, and Mia, and I'm gonna further explain in the next clip. So now I'm gonna be showing you guys lashes, and I'm very excited. So our most natural lash is gonna be Grace, and I'm gonna show you Miss Grace. Hold on. This is Miss Grace. So Grace is our most natural lash. It's perfect for your e-girl looks, you know. She's super elegant, she's pretty reserved, and she loves picnics. She loves picnics at the park. So she's definitely, I feel like this is our favorite amongst our ambassadors because it's just very natural and it's just a flirty look. Next lash is gonna be Suki. This is Miss Suki. She's nice and long, so in the middle, the longer parts in the middle actually create the most widening effects for your lashes. So if you want bigger looking eyes, I would definitely recommend Miss Suki, and I forgot to show her sticker. But look how cute these stickers are. Miss Suki is definitely more of a bold girl, but she's also very like well reserved as well. She's definitely an ambivert, so she's also an introvert and extrovert. She's like a quirky girl, but you don't really get to see like her more nerdy side. Here's Miss Mia. Mia is definitely the most bold out of all of our lashes. Let me just focus. Please do not focus on my disgusting looking nails. They need to be done. And this is Miss Mia's sticker. Mia is definitely our boldest lash, and she's also the boldest in personality. She's definitely that boss bitch. Like she doesn't take no bullshit, and she does everything she wants, and she does not care. She's just that bitch. Mia is definitely the most intimidating looking one. Like, she's a little intimidating, but on the eyes, she's really gorgeous. The stickers that go along with each lash will also be on sale. These stickers are amazing. They're vinyl stickers, so they're waterproof, scratch resistant, and they also last 5 to 7 years. So definitely something, if you like stickers, I would definitely add it to your collection because I love stickers. And I forgot to mention that with each lash will usually be in a little organza bag. I'm gonna insert a picture right here. You're also gonna get one of our super dope temporary tattoos. They're really completely random. I'm just gathering it right now. Like super cute random temporary tattoos. They're gonna be included with each lash purchase. And if you didn't recognize previously, there's gonna be a spoolie in each lash so you can maintain your lashes, because I want them to be I want them to be worn multiple times, because you know I'm trying to get you your money's worth. And also with each package, you're gonna receive a little business card of ours. You know, just a little something. You guys should totally feel it. It's so soft. It's like I think it's like soft felt matte. And then we also get a postcard. I would write some. Usually a postcard's gonna include like a personal note from me and all that stuff. I hope that you guys really enjoy these lashes. Like I genuinely mean that. Like, they're super soft, super nice. Like I love them. I'm obsessed with them. I wouldn't put out anything that I would not like. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm always here for chats. Let me know what your favorite lashes in the comments below, and let's see each other soon. I hope that everyone has an amazing week, an amazing life. I just hope all the goodness in life comes to you. I hope that you manifest it. I hope that you guys manifest it, and then you get everything you deserve. I will speak to you guys really soon. Thank you guys so much for supporting me along this journey, and I wish you the best. Don't forget, our launch is July 10th, 2020. Bye now.